Today I got my 30mm 12-point socket for the Toyota Camry. We're out here gonna be changing out the axles on both sides. So we want to make sure first and foremost they got these special axle nuts. Looks like that fits perfect. We're in the money. So we're gonna go ahead and start by loosening these off the struts. We're gonna move the caliper and rotor off to the side, undo the outer tie rod, so we can move this spindle back and forth, pop the axle out the back end, and hopefully what we got will work. So let's go ahead and get to it. So what I did was I took off my caliper. It was two of these right here, and I got my little impact drill off-brand from Amazon. It does just fine. No problem. There it is, a little funny nut. Alright, so now all I gotta do is we'll get off of the rotor and continue. So I got the axle. I had to take it out with the hub because the axle was just freaking stuck in there. As you can see, I had to take it out with the hub, bang the crap out of it with the hammer. I'm finally getting it out. So bad thing is this part of the axle still stuck in, so I gotta get that out, man. Maybe I'll go in here and AutoZone and rent this stupid tool. So anyways, back out here. Alright, so get the knuckle back on. We're gonna pop this axle in just like that. Make it come out the front. Like that. And we're gonna use the nut to bring it the rest of the way through, because that ABS, those rigid pieces gotta get on there.